Alright guys, I have another great find for you. This is a 2015 Corolla LE. We have a water leak problem. Previously it was this rubber piece over here that I cover it with Dynamat. And then after a while I found out that this piece right here, which is kind of a stupid design, but whatever, this rubber piece, I guess, with the cold, it shrinks and it's gonna become not waterproof. So I went ahead and used some black weather stripping to seal it. I used this one right here. I know I should have used gloves, but I'm in a hurry. I want to just wrap this up. I was vacuuming my car and I found this out, and I'm gonna hit it with this from underneath. I'm gonna jack up the car, and I'm gonna show you that real quick. Okay, so we're underneath the car, and this is the rubber piece. So it was either leaking from here where it contacts the floorboard, or right here. So I did both of them. This is the one that I told you was leaking in the past. It's still holding up. Now our problem is that one. I'm gonna hit it with this like seal, and I'll show you how it looks afterwards. Alright, so that is my coating. I'm gonna let it dry. Apparently it is I'm assuming it's a downstream O2 sensor, because it goes to the cat, or goes after the cat, I guess. Please correct me for the comments down below. My brain is not braining. I was just washing my car now. I had to deal with all this. So, yeah. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like. If you have another issue that you are suffering or you fixed, let us know. That will be helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.